Welcome back to Green Country Custom Baits. We're going to do a paint session. We're going to be matching a Rick Clunn, let's see, what do you call it? Rick Clunn Copper Perch. So if you want to see a copper perch being redone, if that's one of your all-time favorite patterns and maybe this is discontinued, come follow me along. I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. Let's spray some paint. All right, we're going to get started on the matching the copper perch. Looks like this is a Rick Clunn series. I've done a copper perch before. Well, might have been copper green shad with Lucky Craft, but this one's a little bit different. So we're going to add it to the library. This has got some fairly large, so we're going to use our larger scale. And let me make sure we can see. Can you see me? Yeah, I'm going to stand it up. You're not going to get as good an angle on it, but I want to stand that up to where I can get a little overlap. Go ahead and do this one on camera. We do need I'm trying to get back. Looks like he has added this fluorescent to the throat, and need to check my email or text messages. And yep, yeah, that's what he wants. So we're gonna add a little fluorescent orange underneath the bill. And we've got some red dots. Got some red dots to add. Let's see. And make it a little bit bigger. What do you think? We got a match. Need some red eyes. And let's see here. Find some red eyes. Because the eyes that came out of this bait were yellow. Let's go with, let's go with some red. Look like about 6 millimeter. Bam. Now what do you think? We got a match. I believe we got a match. Stick around, check out the pictures at the end. This is a copper perch match from a Rick Klung series crankbait. Don't know if it's discontinued or not. It was just sent in to me to match, so that's what we've done. Hope you liked it. If you did, smash that thumbs up for me, please.